Hi everyone, me and my friends are done some projects for science expo. Before moving on to that project, I would like to introduce my group members. They are me myself Manoj, PAVANAJ, Karthik MURUGAN, VINAY and VISHAL of 10A.
Let us see the working principle of the fire alarm. At first, the thermistor senses that there is a fire in the surroundings and it sends the signal to the buzzer, and the buzzer later makes the sound and makes the people around it aware that there is a fire in the surroundings, and in this way the system is so productive.
This is the working model of a motor gun. It runs with the use of IR sensor, which senses the heat radiation from human being and transfers it to the NOT gate, and the L293 regulates the motor and the surrounding surface regulates the voltage around the circuit. Such a useful prototype, especially during this COVID days, it can be used as a touchless tag. So when you move your hand near the proximity sensor, it moves, and around a certain radius it stops.
Project burglar RAM. So in this burglar RAM, we use components and area sensor, few resistors, LEDs and buzzer. So this area sensor senses the heat radiation produced by the human beings and sends the signal to the resistors, which in return sends to the buzzer and LEDs. So the buzzer makes the bulb glows. Production robberies are being increasing all over the world. So this prototype of burglar alarm can help police or else a person living in a community to guess whether a stranger or a thief is coming into the home. So this will be very helpful to all the people living in the neighborhood.
This is Bluetooth multitasking facilitator. For this project, I have used Arduino board, L29310 motor driver, HC05 and some batteries. So, the practical applications of this can be used in homes such as vacuum cleaner or mobile devices.
Hope you have found this video very informative, and please also support us by sowing seeds in our further inventions. Thanks for watching the video, and also please like, share and subscribe this channel.